You say hi, YouTube? Can you say YouTube? YouTube! 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 What's up, Facebook, YouTube? David here, and today we're going to go catfish fishing. That's right, catfish fishing. But not for the catfish you think I'm talking about. We're going for domesticated catfish. You'll see. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're here at the pond, and it is a little cloudy, not very sunny in here. Okay, so the fish are probably hiding out. You might see them be roaming around in this cover a little bit, but we're going to see if we can find one, see if we can catch one. I know there's a couple of heavy pounders in here, kind of fatties, so we're going to see if they're biting today. It is pre-spawn, so they're going to be out shallow and looking to eat. So let's go. All right, so I found a good spot here. Looks pretty good. The water's clear. You can see out in the distance there's a big catfish just sitting on his bed right out there. That's probably a big one. We're going to see if we can annoy it. Maybe catch it. What I have rigged right now is a little Cinco. You can probably see in the camera. Just on a little rubber band. We're going to see if we can attract some catfish. We have a little guy right in front of us. Looks pretty interested, but we don't know if he's going to bite or not. So let's see. Oh, coming hot. Oh, maybe you get some dibbles. Maybe get some dibbles. They're looking at it. He's looking at it. He's looking at it. Oh. All right, let's see if we can cast out. Maybe there's a bigger one out there somewhere. What I'm doing is I'm just throwing it, letting it sink to the bottom. Just jerking it a couple times. See if they're interested. Not really getting any nibbles, but maybe they're not feeling the worm today. Oh, a little nibble. Keep getting some nibbles. All right, so I bought this stuff at Bass Pro Shop. It's supposed to increase your bite on catfish. So I'm going to put my lures in this and see if we can get some better bites. Good stuff. All right, so I'm going to put my lure in the bag of catfish food. I'm going to circle it around, shake it up. Shake it up in here, get a little flavor on there, see if I can increase the bites. Okay. See if that increases my bite production. Me and Callie couldn't catch anything today. We tried, but those catfish, they're sneaky and they're picky. So I guess we'll go out and try another day. But that's the good thing about catfishing is you can catfish whenever you want. See you guys.